exactly is Etsy search visibility? Just over a week ago, Etsy announced some changes, along with a term that hasn't been used on Etsy before: search visibility. People are assuming they know what it means. It's just ranking, right? Would you be surprised to hear this is an actual SEO term that people in spaces like Google SEO have been talking about for years? It's not a new to Etsy term, and it might not exactly mean what you think it does. The first thing that got my spidey senses tingling about this is the Etsy Seller Handbook, the ultimate guide to Etsy search, and this is the Etsy Bible. And they updated it the same day as they launched all of this, so any wording here is deliberate. If search visibility was exactly the same as ranking, then they would have swapped out the words. But no, on here they still talk about factors that go into search ranking. So search visibility is a metric, a factor that's taken into account for where your item ranks, is it? There isn't a specific section here for search visibility. The factors mentioned in search visibility are kind of mentioned here, but not all things specifically mention themselves as factors that decide where listings rank. For example, in this listing quality section, photographs are mentioned as being critical for buyers when deciding to make a purchase, but that the postage price is mentioned specifically as being factored into search. Customer service quality is mentioned with the exact words that they are prioritized in search. This is unlikely an oversight on such an important Etsy document. So I went investigating further into what search visibility actually is to other SEO experts. SEMrush explained it the best. SEO visibility, also called organic search visibility, represents how likely it is for users to see and click on your website in organic search results. The more keywords you target and the higher you rank for them, the higher your SEO visibility will be, and it's reflected as a metric called SEO visibility score. Many SEO tools include their own versions of this metric, and it's expressed as a percentage, usually based on a fixed set of tracked keywords, your rankings for them, and estimated click through rates based on those rankings. This actually makes a lot of sense if you think of listings instead of websites for Etsy. The more keywords your listings are shown for, and the higher they rank in the search for those keywords, and the more likely customers are to click on your listings when they see them in the search, then the better your listing does. And these are things that Etsy has been talking about forever. The more keywords your listing is shown for you, this is making sure you use all your tags, categories, and attributes to get the chance to match for more customer searches. The higher they rank in search for those keywords, that is all the factors Etsy is told about that we control, like being relevant for the keywords by having them as an exact match in your titles and tags, etc. And now things like not too many cases closed against you, replying to messages and decent reviews, and soon possibly shipping on time. But also the things that go into increasing your click-through rate and then hopefully your conversion. Things like being seen in relevant searches, having titles and images that are attractive to customers, and of course pricing and shipping price. So all of this is like a positive or negative feedback loop. Finding relevant keywords that customers are searching for, then building attractive listings that customers want to buy and that the algorithm understands what they're about based on the titles and tags. These things lead to clicks and sales, which lead to you ranking higher in search, which basically increases your visibility more.